Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're diving into how to get into the waiting room on Ticketmaster in 2025. If you're excited about scoring tickets for that must-see concert or event, you know the waiting room can be a bit of a hurdle. But don't worry, I'm here to make it simple and straightforward for you. By the end of this, you'll be navigating it like a pro. First things first, let's get started. Make sure you have the latest Ticketmaster app downloaded on your phone or tablet, as 2025 updates might include smoother interfaces and better queue management. If you're on a computer, head to the Ticketmaster website and ensure you're logged in. Creating an account is quick and free, so if you don't have one, do that now. Step 1. Open the app or website and log in with your credentials. Double-check that your account is verified if required. It helps avoid any delays. Step 2. Search for the event you're interested in. Use the search bar at the top, type in the event name, and select it from the results. This will take you to the event page. Step 3. Look for the Join Waiting Room or Enter Queue button. It's usually prominent on the page, especially for high-demand events. Click it, and you'll be added to the line. Ticketmaster's 2025 system might show your approximate position or a timer, so keep an eye on that. While you're waiting, here's a pro tip. Stay connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network to prevent any disconnections. Also, have your payment info ready for when you get through. Speed is key. If you run into issues, like an error message saying the queue is full, don't panic. It might mean trying again later or checking for alternative dates. Always refresh the page if things seem stuck. And there you have it. That's how you get into the Ticketmaster waiting room in 2025. With these steps, you'll be one step closer to those tickets. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.